Question number 20 from exercise 1.3 of arithmetic progression. Very interesting question, a very real life question it is. So there is a bucket kept there for a part of a potato race. It's a innovative kind of race. It's a special race. So the potatoes are placed like this. From the bucket, the first potato is kept at 5 meters. The consecutive next potatoes are kept at 3 meters apart. So the common difference is 3 fixed. The first term is 5. The remaining are 3 meters each apart. Like that 10 potatoes are kept. So the number of terms is 10. Number of terms is 10. If I name the first potato as A, second potato as B, and it continues, the last potato is called as J. Just in serial wise I have written. So in this case, the person has to start, the competitor has to start running from the bucket first. Will run till A, will cover 5 meters distance and take the potato and come back. Solution for question number 20, exercise 1.3 of arithmetic progression. A very unique problem, very nice one actually. See, here there is a potato race going on where there is a bucket kept, and from the bucket about 5 meters away there is the first potato. I will name it as A here, and the competitor has to run from the bucket to that potato and take the potato and drop it back into the bucket and run for the second one, which will be kept 3 meters apart from the first potato, and the third one will be kept 3 meters apart from the second potato. So on it goes till 10 potatoes are kept. So the number of terms or the number of potatoes here is 10. So we have to find out, once the competitor finishes the whole race, what is the total distance run by the competitor. So let us see what is the situation here. Let me call this point as X, where the bucket is kept. X to A distance is 5 meters. The competitor has to run back 5 meters, so total distance will be 5 plus 5, 10 meters that person runs. Next, when the competitor runs from X to B, it will be 5 plus 3, so the total distance run will be 8. The competitor has to come back 8 meters to drop the potato back, so it will be 8 plus 8. So every time this same thing happens, as you go on seeing the distance, the competitor has to run back, means twice the actual distance the competitor will have to cover. So what we do is, we first see the total distances run by the competitor on one direction and multiply the whole answer by 2, we will get the total answer. See, first we will see XA, see XA distance, that is 5. Next we will see XB distance, which is 8. Then XC distance, which is 8 plus 3, that is 11. And XD distance, which is going to be 14. This continues till XJ. If I go on calling them A, B, C, D, the 10th one I will name it as J. So XJ distance, that XJ distance is not known. They are not given the total distance there. So we will have to add all of these and multiply each one by 2, because the competitor has to come back also. Whatever is the last term, that will be multiplied by 2. Better option is, we take 2 common outside from all of them. See, this is how it looks. First distance is 2 into 5 plus second distance is 2 into 8. Third distance is 2 into 11. This continues for 10 terms. 10 terms. What we do is, take 2 common outside. What do we get? 5 plus 8 plus 11 up to 10 terms. So which inside the brackets what you see is an arithmetic progression, and we know Sn is the formula we use to find out the sum of n terms. Here it is 10 terms. Then finally we will multiply it by 2. So now let's get back to Sn formula. Sn equal to, I am using the long formula here, n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N is 10, so S10 is equal to 10 by 2 into 2 into A. A is first one, first distance is 5, so 2 5s are plus, then n, number of terms is 10 minus 1 into d. D is, they are told consecutively they are going to increase 3 meters every time, so 3 becomes the difference. We don't have to calculate because they are told the common difference is 3 there. So 3. Let us see now what happens. Therefore, 10 by 2 is nothing but 5. 2 ones are 2 5s are. Answer is 5. Into 2 5s are 10 plus 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 into 3. Therefore, 10 S10 is equal to 5 into 10 plus 9 3s are 27. So, S10 is equal to 5 into 10 plus 27 is 37. So, S10, sum of the 10 terms is equal to 5 7s are 35, 3 carry, 5 3s are 15 plus 3 is 18. So, 185 is the total distance on one direction. Since the commutator has to run back also, so we have to multiply this by 2, twice the distance. So, what we do is, therefore, total distance covered by the commutator, is equal to, S10 multiplied by 2, that is 185, twice of that, is 185 multiplied by 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16 plus 1, 17, 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3. 370 meters will be the distance run by the commutator in the whole race. So they have asked a simple, what is the total distance the commutator has to run? The commutator has to run 370 meters in total to complete the race. Thank you.